2021. The first generation Odyssey, which launched for the 2018 model year, gets a leg overhaul. The front end is now a cleaner execution, with a chrome strip that runs across the top of the grille rather than tipping down through the middle of it and back up either side. The rear end threads a chrome spur between the taillights for a gloss black one with a small chrome inlay, and there are new wheel designs. Starting with the 2020 model year, all Odysseys get Honda's excellent tints with automatic transmission.